Hello, today I'm going to show you how to cut a spiral flounce. To cut a spiral flounce, you need the length of where you want to place the flounce, maybe on your waist or sleeve or wherever you want to place it. You need the length, how long you want it. And you also need the width, which is how wide you want your flounce. So this material, I've folded it into 4 because I need the middle line to be able to form a circle. So I've got this like a cross line, and I'll be able to get my circle from this point. So I'm going to measure from this center point. I'm going to measure 1 inch towards this side. So I need the length of where I want to place this this spiral flounce. So the length that I need is 38, and I need a width. That is how wide I want the flounce to be. So the width is 4. So in order to be able to get this, assuming it's the simple flounce, you will need your radius to calculate the inner circle and the outer circle. But this one is a spiral. You just need like a point to be able to create your spiral. So this, I'm going to use 1. From apart from this point, I'm going to measure 1 inch here. And on this point, I'm going to measure 1. On this point, I'm going to measure 2 down. And on this point, I'm going to measure 2. They are not the same because this is a spiral flounce. We need one part to be longer, so in order to be able to extend the spiral. So towards this side we have 1 we have 1 inch. Towards this side we have 2 inches. Connecting this, just connecting it to this point. So from this point, I'm going to measure now my width. From these 2 points, this point, I'm going to measure the width, which is 4. So I'm going to measure 4 from here. So I'm going to start my measurement from this point, which is 4 inches. So that's how wide I want the flounce. So, I start coming around like this. So I'm going to use this to create my flounce to come this way, and round it goes. So from this point, I'm going to measure 4. So I'm just going to use my hand to just like connect it together. Just to create the spiral. So from this point now, I'll be measuring 4. So 4. And I'll just measure my 4. Just measure the 4 round. Connect it. So that's how you keep on going round and round and round the circle until you get your desired length. You can even, it's just that this is where I started, but for the kind of shape that I want, I'm going to reshape this one. I want it to like end here. So you can just continue round and round and round until you get your desired length. So I'm going to end it at this point. I'm going to end my spiral here. So I'll just try to like bring it down. Just try to like slant it. Just use my free hand to connect to here. So that's my spiral. I'm going to start cutting from the outer edge. So I'll start. So instead of ending it here, I will just slant it down this way, because that's the shape I want. Yeah, and I will throw this away. That's it.